Welcome guys. Today we gonna know about top 10 best super bikes in the world. Number 1. Ducati Panigale V4 R. Known for its powerful performance and aerodynamic design, the Panigale V4 R features a 998 cubic centimeters V4 engine and advanced electronics. Number 2. Kawasaki Ninja H2. This supercharged sport bike from Kawasaki boasts a 998 cubic centimeters inline-four engine and a unique aerodynamic design, offering exceptional speed and power. Number 3. BMW S1000 RR. With a 999 cubic centimeters inline-four engine, the BMW S1000 RR delivers excellent performance and is equipped with advanced rider assistance systems and electronic aids. Number 4. Yamaha YZF-R1. Known for its MotoGP-inspired design and performance, the YZF-R1 features a 998 cubic centimeters inline-four engine and cutting-edge electronics for enhanced control. Number 5. Honda CBR 1000 RR Fireblade. Honda's flagship sport bike, the CBR 1000 RR Fireblade, is powered by a 999 cubic centimeters inline-four engine and offers advanced aerodynamics and electronics. Number 6. Suzuki GSX-R 1000. The GSX-R 1000 is a well-regarded superbike with a 999 cubic centimeters inline-four engine, sharp handling, and advanced rider aids. Number 7. Aprilia RS-V4 RF. With its distinctive V4 engine, the Aprilia RS-V4 RF delivers exhilarating performance on both the road and the track, combined with advanced electronics. Number 8. MV Agusta F4 RR. The F4 RR is an Italian masterpiece known for its stunning design and impressive performance, thanks to its 998 cubic centimeters inline-four engine and premium components. Number 9. KTM 1290 Super Duke R. Offering a blend of aggressive styling, a powerful 1301 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, and top-notch electronics, the Super Duke R is a popular choice among enthusiasts. Number 10. Triumph Daytona 765. Combining racing DNA with modern technology, the Daytona 765 is a limited edition supersport bike that offers a thrilling riding experience. Please note that the motorcycle market is constantly evolving, and newer models may be introduced in the future that could alter this list. It's always recommended to check with the latest sources, such as motorcycle manufacturers and publications, to get the most up-to-date information on the best superbikes available. Thanks for watching everyone. Please like the video if you like it. And please subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.